In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in HubSpot. If you've ever felt limited by the standard records like contacts, companies, deals, and tickets, custom objects are your way to model the unique data your business actually runs on. They let you track specialized records in a structured, scalable way and connect them to the rest of your CRM, so your team has the context it needs where it needs it. Before we start, a quick note. Access to custom objects depends on your HubSpot subscription and user permissions. If you don't see the options I'm describing, check with your HubSpot admin or confirm your plan supports custom objects. It's also a good idea to have a short list of what you want this object to represent and how it should connect to your existing data. From your HubSpot portal, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. That takes you into the admin area where you can configure your CRM. We'll stay focused and head straight to the section that controls your data structure. In the left sidebar, find the Objects section, then choose Custom Objects. This is where all custom object configuration lives. You'll see an overview of any custom objects you've already set up, and this is also where you'll add new ones. Now, click Create Custom Object. A form appears where you'll enter the details that define how your new object works. Give your object a clear, human-friendly name with both singular and plural labels so it reads naturally across the CRM. Add a concise description so everyone on your team understands what belongs here and what doesn't. You'll also define the primary display property, the key piece of information that identifies each record at a glance when you're looking at lists, associations, and reports. Choose something unique and recognizable to your users. As you fill out the details, think ahead about how this object should relate to contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Establishing associations here ensures relevant context rolls up naturally, enabling better reporting and automation later. If the setup prompts you for an internal or API name, keep it short, consistent, and future-proof. Avoid special characters and choose a naming pattern your team can reuse as your CRM grows. Consider which properties you'll need on the object to capture the right data. Keep them focused and standardized, using clear labels and predictable formats. The cleaner your structure, the easier it will be to search, filter, and report. And that's it. Click the Settings icon, go to Objects, then Custom Objects, select Create Custom Object, and enter the details thoughtfully. With a little planning, your custom object will slot neatly into your CRM and unlock richer insight across your entire customer journey.